ladies and gentlemen. We're in that last week of February. We're getting on toward the middle of the week. This is actually the middle day of the week because there's 3 days before this day and 3 days after this day. So this is the middle of the week. Do you know what what day the middle of the week is on? It starts with a W. It's Wednesday. So let's see. What number do you think might be here? So there's 0 for 20, 21, 22, 23. I would think 24, if that's what you thought. You are correct. So let's say the date today. Today is Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. What will tomorrow be? If today's Wednesday, tomorrow will be the TH one, Thursday. What was yesterday? That's the one that just is T at the beginning. Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. What number do you think will be tomorrow? There's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I always expect it would be 25. We're getting almost to the end of February. How many days are left in this month? 1, 2, 3. Just 4 days left in February, and then it'll be March already. All right. So we did some adding on a number line. Today, I want to show you how to subtract on a number line. So if you have your name tag, you can do this with me on your number line that's at the top all across your name tag. So we'll be doing 8s today. So we're going to put our finger on 8 because you have 8 and you're going to take some away. So you're going to jump backwards to take some away. Wherever you land, that's the answer. Okay. So that first one says 8 minus 4. And it says it equals 4. Do you believe that? Well, let's check. So put your finger on 8 on your number line, and we're going to jump back 4 spaces because it says minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I landed on 4. Must be right. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Because, watch this, 4 plus 4 is 8. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 8. All right, let's do 8 and take 3 away. Ready? Put your finger on 8. We're going to jump 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Oh. My number line agrees with my number sentence up there. It says 8 minus 3 equals 5. Let's do 8 minus 2. So put your finger on 8. We're going to jump back 2. 1, 2. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Oh, let's just do 8 minus 1. We're on 8. We're going to take 1 away. Oh, that will leave 7. And then let's do this one. This is really hard. Let's do 8 minus 0. I have 8. I didn't eat any. I still have 8. I didn't need to jump any spaces. It said jump 0 spaces. So I just stayed right where I was. Because 8 takes 0 away is still 8. All right. All right. So we're going to use those new sight words today. I'm going to use as today. Okay? We play and as are our words, and I'm going to use as, and that's A-S. Right? And when we use as, it's usually when we're comparing things. Okay? It's sort of that one of those comparing words that we use. So here's my sentence. I'm going to write 2 sentences. I am as tall as my sister. 7 words. Now, don't get too excited. They're pretty short words. So, I am, now listen, as tall as, we use as twice there because we're comparing height. Okay, I am as tall as my sister. You know what to do with that I. It gets a capital. Now we've had the sight word am before. A-M. I am. And then we're going to use our new sight word as, and it's just 2 letters, A-S. I am as. Now tall. What does tall start with? Starts with T. Then there's an A. What do you hear at the end of tall? L. I hear L. And actually it takes 2 L's. A-L-L is a word family actually. Like ball, tall, fall. Okay. I am as tall. Then you have to say as again. I am as tall as something else. And we put as again. I am as tall as my, there's our tricky word, it's M-I. No, it's M-Y, right? I am as tall as my sister. What does sister start with? What do you hear at the end of sister? Sister, I hear R. I'm going to put a period there. I am as tall as my sister. I used my sight word as 2 times because when you're comparing that's how it works. And then I'm going to write another sentence. She is as tall as me. I need 6 words this time. And I'm going to use as twice again because we're comparing something again. All right? Now she, we had that sight word last week. Do you remember that sh sound? Sh. S-H makes that sh sound. So she, S-H-E. We know how to spell is, I-S. Then our new sight word, as. She is as, and we're going to write tall again, and it's already up here. And then we have to say as again, because we're going to compare. She is as tall as me. M-E. Don't forget your period. All right? I am, let's read it. I am as tall as my sister. She is as tall as me. Good job. Maybe you can measure yourself today and see how tall you are.